Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to make tuna or tuna fry or tuna masala. So for that we need 3 green chili, turmeric, coriander powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, salt to taste, black pepper, corn oil, 2 tomatoes, 2 onion, 1 potato which is optional, and of course tuna. I'm using this tuna, real tuna. I love this tuna. It doesn't smell, it's yummy and it's really good to eat. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to heat my pan with only half teaspoon of oil, because there's already oil in my tuna. I'm going to use that oil. I have already chopped my onion. I've sliced my green chili. If you don't want, you don't do it. Potatoes I have thinly chopped, and tomatoes as well, so that melt quickly and get cooked really well. I'm going to also use cumin. This cumin, I'm going to put some cumin first thing first, cumin, and then I'm going to add everything whatever I chopped. So I'm going to add potato, onion, and green chili first, and mix it up. Mix it really well so that onion, potatoes get really soft and melted. Like this, potatoes will be cooked easily and quickly. So you can see I'm mixing it. Let onion get sauteing and let potato get half cooked. And you can see now it's almost there. I'm going to add my salt. Now it's completely your call. How do you like to eat? Yeah, I'm going to put a little bit of salt. I'm mixing it really well, and this is how it looks like. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start adding up my tomatoes, which I've chopped already. Because onion is starting melting, so I will add my tomatoes, and I'm going to mix it well. You can see this is how it looks like. I'm going to keep on mixing, of course, so the tomatoes and potatoes get melted. It's really good with rice. You can also add green peas or carrots. It's really good with it. Now when everything is mixed well, I'm going to start adding up my spices. So I'm going to put 2 to 3 teaspoons of green red chili powder. I'm going to add turmeric, half teaspoon, and 3 teaspoons of coriander powder. Yeah, and I'm going to mix it up really well. So just put everything and let all the spices get blended really well. Yeah, I'm just going to do this simple trick so that everything get mixed up and it's not very nice. Now I'm going to add my black pepper, and again I'm going to mix it up. I'm adding black pepper in the last so that there's that tangy, or that spice in the last in the mouth, and it's homemade black pepper, so it tastes really good. I'm going to mash my tomatoes. Once it gets softened, I'm going to mash it. Now is the time to add my tuna. As you can see, I have added 14 of tuna, and this is how it looks like. Now I'm going to start mashing it. You can see how I'm using my spoon. I'm mashing it. I'm using mashed tuna and tomato sauce or tomato puree, and it's really yummy. You can eat this either with rice or with bread, or you can also eat it like a taco. It's really tasty. So just mix. It's really handy as well if you want to save it and then eat it later on. And look at that, guys, after mashing up for a very long time, it turned out to be like that. I have added some coriander on the top. You can avoid this part if you don't want it. And look at that, that looks yum and it's ready to eat. I can simply eat with bread or anything, as I told earlier. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to like and comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and please do check out for more videos.